How to fix the lag on Roblox. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you two ways to fix lag on Roblox easy and fast. The first way is you have to go to the settings on Roblox like this, for example, and go to the settings here and then go to the graphics mode down here and make it manual, and then go to the graphics quality and make it lower as possible like me. And now all what you have to do is go back and it's gonna be fixed. If it's not, there is a second way. It's you have to make your storage more cleaner. If you have a lot of apps or a lot of videos on your phone, make sure to delete them and make your phone more faster. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.